Hey folks, Carl here and welcome. And today we are doing something a little bit different. We've had some on the channel before, but this time we are building some Lego Star Wars. Okay folks, so we are building, like I say, a Star Wars Lego set. It is kit 75301 and it is of course the iconic X-Wing of Mr. Luke Skywalker. Looks like we get several figures as well. So we've got R2-D2, Luke himself, Leia, and the General. So yeah, and it looks as though this is actually going to move when we press some buttons. So that's going to be pretty good. Just anything else on the box of note worthwhile? Just some nice artwork on the front, and there we go. There's confirming the figures: Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, General Dodonna, and R2-D2. So yes, looking forward to this. This is just going to be a quick time lapse. I'm not sure whether it'll be done in 1 or 2 parts, depending on how well we get on. We don't want the videos to be too long and excruciating to watch. So without further ado, I'm going to get on and speak to you at the end. Okay folks, so that is bag one complete, and that is probably yeah, this is going to be much bigger than I expected it to be. That is just the nose section, so very nice. And obviously Luke Skywalker is going to sit inside there quite nicely, like so. So I'm going to call this video here. That is bag one complete. I am quite impressed so far. It goes together reasonably easy. We had a little bit of trouble with one of the pages sticking together way back. You probably saw it in the time lapse there, but I think it was pages. It was just before this section here. So I went from here straight to here. And I was a little bit confused at how we got to this bit here, but obviously these pages were stuck together and we missed out a complete section. So be wary of that. pages sticking together, it will throw you out like it did myself. So yeah, that is a bag 1 complete, and I'm going to call this video here. As always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bag 2 will be out very shortly. I am enjoying this build, so there. And one last thing, we are still working on the A-Wing. I'm not releasing any of those videos until it is complete. We are halfway through episode 4 of that, so that will be coming probably in a month or so once it is finished. So yeah, part 1. Well, shall we say, bag 1 of the Lego Star Wars X-Wing. Thanks again. Catch you next time. Ta-ta.